Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. This car came in for a quick oil and filter change, but when the technicians removed the drain plug, no oil came out. Apparently, the last oil change was 52,000 miles ago. And this customer came in complaining about sudden loss of power in their car. The mechanic found the issue to be coolant spraying out of a cylinder head bolt. Gotta love American cars. Customer states, "My doors feel heavier than usual. Please advise." And this customer complained about their car wobbling too much. And this customer had just bought this BMW that came in with a pretty bad engine knock. Somehow though, it managed to roll into the shop on its own. Customer states, "My car keeps going into limp mode. Apparently, the car had the AdBlue injector doser module replaced at another shop and they had damaged the AdBlue line in the process." And sometimes, it's not only oil that comes out.
That's excellent.
2,000 years later.
Looks good. And the owner of this Subaru had apparently spilled concrete mix in the trunk and the back seat. The mechanic later said that cleaning it up was the best time of his life. Oh yeah, that's still good for a couple more miles, no problem. Customer states, "There's a party in my dashboard and the car won't start." And this is some really serious technician stuff, okay? Customer came in complaining about a meowing sound from behind the steering wheel. The mechanic successfully rescued the little cat and ended up adopting it and taking it home. And this car came in because the customer complained about a noisy cabin and bumpiness when driving. And when your project car starts looking like this, it's probably best to find another project. This 2022 F-150 came in because the customer complained about the four-wheel drive not working after only 5,000 miles of use. The mechanic opened up the transfer case and found this. Customer states, "Strange grinding noise under my car. I wonder why." I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it. Customer states, "Car keeps shutting off." It's probably fine. And this customer came in complaining about their truck not moving when in gear.
There's no way.
And the owner of this car came in because they kept hearing a rattling noise while driving. Yeah. Uh-oh. Customer states, "Heard a loud bang and car lost all power." This customer's car came in on a tow truck after it wouldn't start. Apparently, it had gotten some new owners while being parked on the street for a few months. The mechanic found a lot of wiring to be missing. This customer complained about their car sounding louder than usual. And this customer came in with their Hyundai because he had fixed an oil leak all by himself with glue and Flex Seal spray, but the car was still leaking oil. Customer states, the engine is way too noisy. The mechanic found that the exhaust turbine housing mysteriously missed a V-band clamp. And this truck came in because the customer complained about a wobbling steering wheel. And this 2016 Isuzu rolled in because of an electrical issue. Something's not right here. Customer came in requesting a price quote for some brake work. He later refused all repairs and said he will just fix it himself with a YouTube tutorial. And this customer states that they have a wobbling steering wheel when driving on the highway. Customer states, my gauges are all wiggly when turning. And this customer states, it smells like a pig's butt while driving. Alright, lights are on, key out, car still on, lights off, car stops. Uh-oh. Customer states, every time I floor it, my hood gets a bulge. The owner of this car came in because of clunking sounds coming from his wheels. And this truck came in right on time to get its wheel fixed. Customer states, was driving on sand, floored it until I came onto pavement and then heard a loud bang from the rear and my car suddenly stopped moving. This 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid came in because the high voltage battery was not charging. Hopefully this customer has some good insurance because everything related to the high voltage system on this model is located underneath the car. Looks like a lot of fun. This car came in with missing brake caliper mount bolts. And this customer came in because the service stability system light was on and they had a fluid leak. Once on the lift, the mechanic found a transfer case to be wrapped in aluminum foil, duct tape, silicone, epoxy, and covered with a layer of spray paint. This vehicle came in for some maintenance when the technician discovered this as he was removing the differential cover. Customer states, car has a funky smell, please advise. Who is it? This car came in because the customer suspected that his all-terrain tires were causing vibration. The mechanic found the wheel bearings to be completely destroyed. And apparently, this customer managed to puncture their tire in 14 different places. The owner of this car came in with no power steering after having installed a new steering rack at another shop. The mechanic discovered that the steering lines were resting against the subframe, CV axle and the serpentine belt. Vroom, vroom, vroom. This Volkswagen Golf 5 rolled in because it was overheating and making funny noises. Turns out it was all due to a pretty well-used water pump. Customer states, my wife hit a curb at 50 miles an hour. And this customer had just bought this car a while back and came in to have some wiring work done when the mechanic noticed this.
Jesus.
This customer came in because they had no forward or reverse after an oil change. And when your brake starts looking like this, it's probably a good time to change them. The owner of this 1997 Land Rover D90 complained about a strange noise coming from the differentials. Apparently, he hadn't changed the differential gear oil in 15 years, and this is what came out when the mechanic removed the oil plug. This customer got sideswiped by a semi-truck, and apparently also got towed to the shop, but with the parking brake still engaged. And this customer thankfully came in to swap their car's milkshake brew for some fresh engine oil. This customer came in to get a second opinion on their brakes after having failed a safety test at another shop. Thankfully, the customer ended up getting some new brakes installed. Customer states, I just need some wheel balancing, thank you. And God only knows what they poured into this poor engine. Customer states, something's wrong with my clutch, please advise. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.